That's just all his belongings. That's what you do, people. When they leave stuff, you just put it in the bag, and get it right for them. Ceramic soap. Got this thing looking good. She's dripping. You did. Big boy. So y'all know after a nice little clean, you need some protection. You know the best thing we using right now, that Titan. Shout out to Phoenix. AB, we got us one. Well, another one, AB. We got us another one. Titan, man. So y'all can see Cash ain't playing. Full uniform. Let's get it. You dig what I'm talking about? Yes, sir. All right, I'll be back with y'all. There we go. There we go. Yes, sir, ski. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all know the vibes. If y'all don't know them, I'm showing y'all the vibes. Y'all know the vibe. Yes, sir.